Maya pasisilim po kaya katamungan, pagmasusyan taya po Miyerkules de Ceniza. Pakiabetala po king kaya katamong panalangin, para ka ring makatuking intention, para king kapasalamatan ng Lito and Lori Sapanta, Marlon Joyce and Ira Takdol, para king kapasalamatan King Aldoning Kebaitan ng Adriano Agricapis Sr., king kayang 93rd birthday. Para king personal kayadwanan ng Edgardo and Beth Palo, Lenet Nukum and family, Helen David, Tita Bermudez, Eleanor Ventura, Janet Castro and family, Jeremy Robes, Arman and Mariette Nang, Rosana Reyes, Jimmy and Inday Santo Domingo, Patrick and Sarah Gokwinko. Para king malagwang kapaldanan ng Teresita Lacandula, Florencia M. Derit, Ronald Suncio, Maylin Magtoto Anusasyon, Irene Bitug Mejia, Sister Melissa Arquiano, Virgilio de los Santos, Victoria Aguas, Ramil Sunga, Mario Benson, Maria Regina Dizon, Rosalita B. Torres, Edel Umlas, Gloria Panilio, Ernesto Dizon, Pat Ahos at ding hanggang kakaluguran at kamagana kamasakit. Para king alanganggang kapainawan da rin kaladwa. Virginia Lecaros, Tirsu Lecaros, Antonio Lecaros, Luisito Lecaros, Paulina Magtoto, Gaudioso Mestula, Fernando Razon Lingad, Daisy Razon Di Mabuyu, Francisca Gutierrez, Danilo Nones, Reverend Father Pablo S. Sahagun, Ponciano, Belen and Ronel Castro, Jesus Balidio, Maria Monica Bata, Remedios Saldana Kalilong, Rita Kalilong Hurtado, Rico S. Kalilong, Mara Kalilong, Henemino and Asuncion Umlas, Faustino Santa Maria Jr., Luciana S. Olalia, Elena Parico, Vicente and Ellen Tantamco, Alex Resurrection, Alejandro and Milagros Resurrection, Magno and Francisca Hipolito, at ding sablang kaladwa king purgatorio. Talakad tamo po makyabe, kindalit a pamuklat.
Kilagyo ng igpa, po ng anak, po ng banal na Espiritu,
Amen.
ng Ginoo manatili kaya kayo nga.
At kaya ka antimurin.
Good evening.
Good evening po,
We are opening Lenten season with Ash Wednesday. Bubuklat tayo po yung banal na Quaresma, kaniting Miyerkules de Ceniza. Ng nakataning Diyos, ganakan nutame ni Batan. To remember where we came from. You came, and to dust you shall return. Kapatid, ng kay kakalingwan tamo, yung kaya katang malukang penibatan. Potang mapagmaragultana, potang matagumpetana, potang masikantano, dakaltana agawa kimbye. Dapat in Diyos, kaya katang pisamban, pakilala na, yung kaya katang penibatan, yung kaya katang babalikan. Kapatid ka rin panahon migkasalata mo, si Shantala rin kaya katang pamagkulang. Ginoo pakalulu.
Ginoo pakalulu.
Kristo pakalulu.
Kristo pakalulu.
Ginoo pakalulu.
Ginoo pakalulu.
Manalangin tamo po. O Diyos, ning biye at igpa ning pakalulu, ing sala ning kaya kang katutuan, pagkaluban na kesa ng panimanman, ing dalumdum, ami kasala king mata niting pamun na ning pamanisi, at yatad na kesa na king kanwanan, ning kaya kang kapatawaran, at ipagkalob mo ing kalam, ning kaya kang sala. Iti adon mi kapamlata ng Kristong Ginoo.
Amen. Ing liturhiya ning amano.
Pamamasang ibat king libro ning Propeta Joel. Oning agyangin ni nga na ning Ginoo, sumisi kayo at magbalik lub kanako, king mabilog yung puso, at kayabe ning pamag-ayuno, tiyak kayo ampon lungkot. At gabakan ding puso yu, at aliwa ing imalan niyo. Magbalik kayo king Ginoo kaya kong Diyos. Magana kaya at mitmo kin lunos. Mapibaba tayo at tutuparana sablang pangako na. Manatiliyang mamatawad kapilanman at ebyasang mamarusa. Siguro, ing Ginoo kaya kong Diyos, mi kaduan niya lub. At kaya bening dakal apupul, ing bendisyon na kaya kayo ibyena. Kanita, iyayin po king Ginoo alak ampon binutil. Tsupan niya ing trompeta kimbabo ning bundok ning Sion. Iutos yu ing pamag-ayuno at maus kayong pulong. Tipunan yung miyabe-yabe ring memalen. Isadyala para king banal akapulungan. Makatwa kaya kayo lang ausan. Anak kaya kayo lang tipunan, pati na ring sususong bingot. Agyang ding bayong miyasawa, lakwan dalaring balera, at sukat ing datangla. Ding pari king Ginoo susuyo, pila taning altar, at ning pasbol ning templo. Paboren lang tumangis at manalangin. Ginoo, malunos ka king kaya kang balen. Emo ipaintulot ing insultan da kami, at kalyan ding aliwang bansa, king kapamila taning karelang pamagsalita, nukaring niya ing kaya kong Diyos. Kaybat ing Ginoo, pakit yang masabal king bansana, karing memalen na malunos siya. Ingamano ning Ginoo.
Salamat king Diyos.
Malunos ka kanako, O Ginoo, uling mi kasala ko.
Malunos ka kanako, O Ginoo, uling mi kasala ko.
O Diyos ko, malunos ka kako. Ulining alang kupas alugod mo. Ulining maragol alunos mo. Wasan mo lang kakong kasalanan. Linisan mo, insablang kakong karinatan. At patawaran mo kakong kasalanan.
Malunos ka kanako, O Ginoo, uling mi kasala ko.
Dalo ko lang kakong kakulangan at ding kakong kasalanan, parati lang atyo, king kakong kaisipan. Mi kasala ko laban keka, bukod mong keka ko, mi kasala. Dapat ko itang emayap, king arapan mo, inya matulid, ingatulan mo ko.
Malunos ka kanako, O Ginoo, uling mi kasala ko.
Gawan ming malinis ing puso ko, O Diyos ko. Ibayo me ing pilubluban ko, at katapatan ibiyemo ka ko. Emo ko tatabi king kekang arapan, lalako ka ko ing espiritu mong banal.
Malunos ka kanako, O Ginoo, uling mi kasala ko.
Ibalik me ka ko itang tulang bunga na ning pamagligtas mo, at gawan mo kong mapaminto, king sablang kaburian mo. O Ginoo, saupan mo kong magsalita, at idalit ko ing kapurian keka.
Malunos ka kanako, O Ginoo, uling mi kasala ko.
Pamamasang ibot, king kadwa ng sulot San Pablo, Carintao, Corinto. Kapatid, atyo kami keti bilang pinakakatawa ng Kristo. Ing Diyos, yan na mismo ing mamaos kaya kayo. King Kristo, makikasundo kayo kin Diyos. Eyo mi kasalay Kristo. Dapat alang-alang kaya katamong ikakayap, tinuring na yung makasalanan ng Diyos, ban kaya beno maging banal tamo, harap ng Diyos, king kapamilatano. Antina ning kayabe kami king obrana ng Diyos, ipakisabi ming mayap kaya kayo, king eyulo, sana payalan kabayaldugan, ing grasyang tinggap yu kaya. Ulingin Diyos, sasabyana. Pikirandaman da ka, king oras, takarapat dapat ka na ako. So panda ka, king aldoning kaligtasan. Makirandam kayo, ngenina ing oras, akarapat dapat. Ngenina, ing aldo ning kaligtasan. Ing amano ning Ginoo.
Salamat king Diyos. Parangalan talakad para king aklamasyon ng balen. Gawan meng malinis impuso ko, O Diyos ko, ibalik me kako, itantulang bunga na ning pamagligtas mo.
Ing Ginoo manatili kaya kayo nga.
At kaya ka antimurin.
Pamamasa king may pabalita ag pangkang San Mateo.
Ligaya kaya ka, O Ginoo.
King panahon na ita, Jesus. king panahon na ita, Jesus nga na karingkayang alagad. Ingatan nyo, eko parangalan, king harap ning balen. Ting panahon dapat yung pakapagpabadalan, ing mayawos kayo pansin karing tao. Huling nung makanyan, era na kayong paninayan ablas, kingig pa nga tsubanwang. Di niya nung maglimus kayo karing pakakalulu, yu panyabyan. Makanyan man, daraptan daring hipokrita, karin king sinagoga, at karin kindalan. Daraptan da iti balang tanggap kapurian karing tao. Ing katutuan, sasabihan ko kaya kayo, tinggap da na kareti ing karelang ablas. Nung maglimus kayo, daptan nyo sanang enamambalo ang yang peka matalik mong kaluguran, manatiling makalihim. Ablasana na kayo, ningigpa, king lihim, ang manakit, king draptan nyo. Nung manalangin kayo, yula pakyapusan ding hipokrita, maburi lang makatalakad, manalangin karing sinagoga, at karing sulak da rin, kat sulok da rin dalan, pan kanita, pakit da ka rin tao. Ing katutuan, sasabihan ko kaya kayo, tinggap da na keti pa, ing ablas da. Nung manalangin kayo, munta kayo karing sulok ng kaya kong kwarto at karin kayo malalangin. At ingig payo, king lihim, manakit, king kaya kayong draptan, ablasan na kayo. Eyula pakyapusan ding hipokrita, neng magayuno kayo. Papakit dang makalunos lay tsura, ban kanita, abaluda rin tao, king magayuno lang. Ing katutuan sasabihan ko kaya kayo, tinggap na keti pa ing karelang ablas. Manimo kayo at manyukle. Bano magayuno kayo, daman manakit, abaluda rin tao, magayuno kayo, no nemo ing ipayo, king lihim manakit. Aning payo, manakit, king kaya kayong draptan, ablasana na kayo. Ing maya pabalita ni kaya katang kaligtasan.
Kapurian kaya ka, O Kristo.
Kilagyo ni gigpampo ng anak, po ng Banal na Espiritu.
Amen.
Masadting ngayon parahunan ng Kwaresma, magbalik tamo nung nuta may gumpisa. Our Lenten season, especially this first day of Lent, we try to begin where we all started. The expression when the priest would place and the lay ministers would place ashes upon your forehead, sabihan na kaya ka, remember you are dust, and to dust you shall return. Tandaanan mo, alikabok ka, at king alikabok, magbalik ka. During the old Roman Empire, when a famous general, a successful general coming back to Rome from a successful war campaign, they are welcomed and celebrated. O ang ating successful general muli may niyang butsak yung gera, papalakpakan de rin tao. Den tao talagang pupurian de, bala mo Diyos-Diyosan niya, bala mo is a hero. Yet as a slave on the side, yung lagyunitang slave, agira slave. Kaya yung sisit-sit keng gulot na, kabang papalakpakan de rin tao, ling matagumpay ang general, sabihan nitang slave, memento mori, memento mori, memento mori. Kabang sikat, papalakpakan de, itang alipan kaya siping na sisit-sitane, memento mori. Na ano pong buri na sabihan nita? Remember, you will die. Remember, you are mortal. Ang giyang sikat na sikat ka, ang giyang matagumpe ka, dakal kagewa, papalakpakan da ka rin tao, papaganakan nitang metong alipan, datang panahon, mate ka rin. It has also been speculated that the name of the slave is Agira, who held the laurel crown of the triumphant Roman general over the head of his success, and the slave would continuously whisper in his ear, "Memento mori." Remember, you are mortal. To prevent the celebrated general from losing his sense of proportion in the excesses of the celebration. Potang magkatagumpe na kang matagumpe, potang dakal na kagagawan, lulubing kaya kang tagumpe, yabang kaya kang buntok, daragul ka buntok. At sasabihan itang metong alipan, memento mori. Ngayon panahon ng Aldo ng Ash Wednesday, Miyerkules de Ceniza, the same line, our church would remind us, memento homo quia pulvis, es et in pulverem revertris. Bala mo sabihan ng sambantang ngayon ng panahon, potang magtagumpe ka, potang dakal na kagawa, masikan ka, sabihan na ka, remember you are dust, and to dust you shall return. Tandaanan mo, abu ka, alikabok ka, at magbalik ka, king panga alikabok. Potang dem Pilipino magbalik la, iba't la abroad. There are many Filipinos coming from abroad, like if they work in Saudi Arabia or Dubai for many years. OFW, Overseas Filipino Workers. Potang achula kayong replano na Philippine Airlines. And then the pilot will announce, "Ladies and gentlemen, our plane is arriving and have entered the Philippine area of responsibility, area. And in a few moments, our plane will be landing in the airport of Manila." Di kanong Filipino overseas workers, batang malaban nung emumuli, papalakpak lang ano kasaya. They are already going back to where they came from. So happy to go back home after many years of working abroad. Makanyan siguro ing tulad, batang magbalik ka, ken tunay mong penibatan. Dengaliwa mulila bandong bisitan ng kerang pamilya. They go back to visit their family, their friends, their classmates, their colleagues in the community as they go home to the Philippines. Some would even have their vacation to go back where they started and there were coming from. The same when we celebrate our birthday, when you celebrate your wedding anniversary, family reunion, class reunion, or even your foundation day in your office or even your school. They are a remembrance of where we came from. Your birthday, you don't only prepare pancit and food, but you remember how you were born from a loving family and how you began as a little baby. Even now, you are strong and successful. Wedding anniversary, celebrate them. To remember, some time ago, you were happy together when you were beginning your marriage. Hanggang ngayon, madalas ko mipapate. There will be family reunions to gather the family after many years. Tipunan da katamo, lolo, lola. And we gather as one family. And lest we forget, nuta meni batan. Foundation days also are good to remember our beginning. Kanita, malati ang opisina, malati ang eskwela, ngayon medagul na, and the bigger the organization. A reminder where we came from. Ash Wednesday is a reminder where we came from. It's not only going back to where we came from in terms of physical going back, it is also remembering. When you begin to remember, you may not be physically present, pero balikan mo, itang dati mong penibatan. Another way of going home is going home through our memory lane, the highways of our memories, celebrating it today as a significant persons who live with us in lifelong friendship and relationship, remembering memories of how and where we started. Usually where we started, it was simple, it is humble, and it is basic. Lenyo puno to menibatan, anakasimple yan, payak, alanggarbo, pero masaya tamong balikan. I always celebrate reunions with many friends, high school friends, college, seminary classmates. And when you celebrate, you always go back to the stories of the past. Potang mag-reunion kaya po mga klase, iyamong yan, kwento mi. Siyempre, muna manapalitan ng milabas. Maili kaming maili. Itang haus da kanaw, da naman hausan father. Haus da mo kanaw, deo. How I started. And it is back to where we are. However, kaya katang Pilipino, for Filipino, sometimes we attribute success potang marayo na kadisan. Mabuti ka pa, malayo na ang iyong narating. Our concept of success, when you have gone a long way. Or sometimes in an English perspective, the heights of success. Matas na kakabilyan. Sounding like reaching out the heights of success, we can also lose our way with our far-reaching success or falling from the heights of our own achievements. We tend to be so entertained by the world that we think all of these are permanent. Tandanan mo, ang yama tagumpe ka, datang yung panahon, nakakalingwan na ka mo rin din tao. Even Jesus, when He resurrected after His death, His disciples were so afraid, they were hiding. Yan ta sinubli ang maybe, Kristo kay ba nang mipako, deng disipulo na pakasalikod la in the upper room. When Jesus resurrected, and He saw Mary Magdalene, He said to Mary Magdalene, "Go, tell my brothers, I will see them in Galilee." Nano ita? See you in Galilee. That is the message of Jesus after He resurrected to His disciples. Bakit? Kasi may nga salbag-salbag la. Sasalikot la, dabalo no malabunta. Pete de Cristo, Jesus died. Jesus was crucified. Jesus was murdered. They are so afraid and so lost. Nano kayang malyari kaya katamo, itamo na yung patenda siguro susunod. Dapat Jesus asked them, go back to Galilee. What is the significance of going back to Galilee? Because that is where they started. That is where they were called. That is where they realized their dreams and their mission. Takakalingwan, no tame ni batan. Itang pangarap tamo. Tangya katang buringgawan. Yu kakalingwan. Even when Jesus returned to Nazareth, He was rejected. He was humiliated by His own folks. But it is a reminder of His strong or original mission and original calling. It's good to remember. Many of you may be using computers. Maybe you have your own CPU or laptop. Sometimes your laptop, your computer will be hanging. It will not be working. And then you will turn it off and you will refresh it. You will allow it to restart. And then you will allow it a renewal of removing the unnecessary files to clean from the unnecessary materials that you have there. And then when you turn it on again, it is refreshed, renewed, and you have restart. A beginning to go back to the starting point so we will not be lost. Prayer can also bring us back to where we started, for our souls are from God. This is the real coming back, not only physically from other country to the Philippines or from your place to your friends. Yung pamagbalik din kaya katang kaladua, the return of our souls to God. There is kapampangan, Tagalog term, nagbalik loob means reconciliation. Pagbabalik loob is conversion. Remember the prodigal son when he left his father and brother. He spent all his money in lavish way. Gisano rin pera na keng maroka bisyo. Sometime when he realized, when he became a slave and very hungry, sabi na, mapakita lugar ng tata ko, ang giyang alipan lamo yun, mandarano. He remembered that in his father's house, even the slaves are fed well. He remembered where he's coming from. Before, because he was so wealthy, he forgot about his father and the grace of his family. And when he was buried, he lives in a very difficult life. He remembered his father. And he wanted to go back. E paman po migbalik ka sa nita, pagbabalik loob. At suya pakimalayong lugar, migbalik na pilubluban kay Diyos. Ash Wednesday is pagbabalik loob. Ash Wednesday is going back to a call of reconciliation and conversion of our life. Ash Wednesday is when we are given that ash in our forehead, and the priest and the minister would say, remember, from ash you came, and to ash you shall return. The word remember means do not forget. Mo kakalingwan, ganakan mo, recall and bear in mind. We tend to forget as we are immersed in time, we forget our mortality. When we are immersed in the world, we do not belong to this world. We are from God. From God you came, and to God you will return. In one town here in Pampanga, it's called Betis Guagua, and even in Santa Rita, Pampanga, when you go to the cemetery, patamunta keng Campo Santo ke cemetery, at ila pong arko, itang cemetery. Itang arko ka rin, it does not say, welcome cemetery, yan po. Yan sasabihan, welcome, tsuka ke cemetery, yan po. At ipong makabit kaya itang arelang arko, nga na po, kunyari mo, magpaglibing ka, dadalan mo itang katawul, dadalan niya po itang casket, magpaglibing ka, pisan mo yung mete, o kaya kamag-anak, may kaluguran. Kaya ba't may patalanga ka, makasulat siya kaya itang arko, in that ark before you enter the cemetery. Nga na po, ako ngeni, ika bukas. My turn today, yours tomorrow. That is a reminder that we are alive now, yes, but in the future, it's our time. It's our term. In the Roman Empire, they have chariots. And in the chariots of charioteers and warriors, there's something written at the back. It says, sic transit gloriam mundi. It means, thus passes the glory of the world. Ingligaya, galal ning yato, lilipas ngan. Pota bala mo permanente. Ang giyanganti ka kagaling, ang giyanganti ka kasipag, ang giyanganti ka kasikatan, datang yung panahon, makalingwan tamo. Datang yung panahon, minata mo. Datang panahon, maputod. Yung datang tikatang tagumpe. It is also used during the times that when we have new popes, pota kating bayong Santo Papa during their coronation, the Pope will be inaugurated as a new Pope, and then it is said in the ritual, sic transit gloriam mundi. When you become a Pope, people will be clapping their hands. They will be very happy for you. You are the Pope of a very big nation and a very big religion, our Catholic faith. And yet it is said to the Pope, sic transit gloriam mundi. Thus passes the glory of the world. Mo kakabit kayang buntok mo. Mo pagmayabang sa to papa ko, pagmayabang masikatan ka. Let us begin to where we have started. To fresh start, a new beginning, and a new restart. Some others would not want to begin anymore. Dengaliwa, sinuko na lang, they have surrendered. Ayaw ko na. I already give up. I don't want to try anymore. Our Lenten season invites us to try to begin again in your relationship, in your good health, in your good life. Mag-umpisa tapong pasibayo. Nung may kasalata mo, we are given another chance. Tara na, labas na tayo at mag-umpisang muli. Managkat ko po karetang yan nasisimba. Detang mila ko na lub keng kasalpantayanan. Detang may siralub. Agkat mula, tara mag-umpisatang pasibayo. Some people dream of success while others get up every morning to make it happen. Jesus invited his disciples, see you in Galilee. Let us go back to Galilee, where we all started. Tara, magbalik tamo at mag-umpisa. Remind ourselves of our first dreams to start our mission again. Remember, you are dust, and to dust you shall return. I would like to rephrase this formula in our liturgy when we receive the ashes in our forehead. I would like to say and rephrase it, Adeo venisti, ad Deum reverere teris. Or I may say, from God you came, to God you shall return. May di batan ka, King Diyos, at King Diyos, magbalik tamo. Kilagyonig pa, pwedeng anak, pwedeng ba ng Espiritu.
Amen.
Bendisyonan tamo po, di kaya katamong abo, we will bless the ashes. These ashes were from the palms we used last year. At din po rin gamitan tang kabit king kaya katamong kanon, talakatangan po. Kaluguran kong kapatid kang Kristo, adwan tamo king ikpang bendisyonan nala reting abo, agamitan tamo anting tanda ni kaya katang kapanisyan. Manalangin tamo. O Ginu, panwanan mo, rin kaya kaming pamikasala, mamatawad ka rin kaya kaming kapatid, at bendisyonan mo, dating sablang tanggap kareting abo, gampanan mi sana king panahon ning Kwaresma, anting pamagsadya king tula ning kaya kang pamanyubling mebye. Iti adwan mi kapamilata ng Kristong Ginumi.
Amen.
Agkatagpula po rin EMDC, lumapit lang. We will form lines like in a communion and we will receive yung kaya katamong tanda ng krus, yung kaya katang kanwan. Pwede lang pong magkantang dalit, yung kaya katang foro, kabang mga bitang abu, yung kaya katang kanwan.
Lukluk tamo po. Talakad mo po.
King balang panahon, kaluguran kong kapatad, manalangin tamong eni, dapat lalong-lalo na, king panahon ng pamagsadya, king pamanyubling mebian ng Jesus. King balang pakibat ngatang manalangin, igpa, ausan mo kami, king pamanisi, at pamibayong biye. Itangan po.
Igpaausan mo kami, kimpamanisi at pamibayong biye.
Para king balayan, Kristyanong makalaganap, mabilugayato, ban lalo yang numabang, king balang amanong manibatan, king asbok ning Ginoo, ipatalangin taking Ginoo.
Igpaausan mo kami, kimpamanisi at pamibayong biye.
Para king kapayapa ning metoyato, ban maganap karingal dorete, ing kasaupan at kaligtasan, ay iba't kin Diyos, ipanalangin taking Ginoo.
Ginoo, ausan mo kami, king pamanisi at pamibayong biye.
Para ka ring makasalanan at malililikindalan, ban magbalik lalob, kaniting panahon ning kapatawaran, ipanalangin taking Ginoo.
Ginoo, ausan mo kami, kimpamanisi at pamibayong biye.
Para kaya katamong makatipon, kaniting kapag masusyan, ban milako lubos, karing puso tamo, ing sablang kasalanan, ipanalangin taking Ginoo.
Ginoo, ausan mo kami, kimpamanisi at pamibayong biye.
Ngeni adwan tap mo isarilitang kapagnasan.
Oy pang mayupaya, paintulot mong mibalik kaming mitmong kapanaligan kaya ka, ing balayan mo at sumuyo kaming mitmong kalinisan na puso. Itiyadwan may kapamnata ng Kristong ginaming.
Amen. Ing liturhiya ng Eucharistia.
Dagdagan na ito yung motion. Meto pa mga yan. Manalangin kayo, kapatad, bandi ating kikatang daon, matanggap larapan ng Diyos, sigpang mayupayan totoo.
Tanggapan niya sa aning Ginoo, itindaong karinggamat mo. King nga kapurit, kaligaya ni kayang lagyo, king kakatamong kasaplala at ning mabilog ng Santa Iglesia.
O tapat at malugod na Diyos, kareting ain, dalalami, harapan mo, impamakyabe mi, king kabilugan ming kapagnasan, sumisi at gawang dapat kapaglarinan, at kikekang pamagbayo keka, at karing kaparaming tao. Dapat balumi mo naman ng alaking sikanan nung alaka. Paintulot mo naman sana yung sakripisyo ni kekang anak, alilana ing sikanan ning kekaming kenan, at sumangit na rin kekaming kamalayan, king kekaming sarili, at makabuglat kaya sana keka, karing kaparaming tao. Inya ngini adwan mi kapamalataan ng Kristong Ginoo.
Amen.
Ing Ginoo manatili kaya kayo nga,
At keka antimurin,
iyat nayo rin puso yo.
makayat nano king Ginoo.
Pasalamatan tayo in Diyos sa ginutam.
Iti karapat dapat at matulid.
Tunay pin karapat dapat at matulid ing pasalamatan dakang parati at numan karin o igpa, Diyos nga langanga lubos mayupaya. Ing kaya kang kabanalan at kapibabatan, king kasakitan. Sasapan mo kami naman sanang mikatetagan, sumupil, king kaya kaming kayungyungan. King pamit patupad mo, king kaming kalugod mong anak, king pamagkasakit para kaya kami. Ikatula mo naman sana ang papagbanalan at papagrangalan, ing mayupaya ming kapilanman Yesu Kristo ang ginaming. At ulinita kang beda ning sa Blancoro, ding angel karin banwa. Daralit din kaya kang ligaya, lain makyabe, kingalagtok ng dampamamaya kapurian kaya ka, at ngaming ang kakanta. Deta po nga makasiklod, kabitala ring walang tanggamat, malapit king kayatang puso. Tunay kapin banaloy pa, ikang panibatan sa blang kabanalan, ulinita pagparalampumi, pabanalan mo sa naretingayin king espiritu mo, ban para kaya kami malyalang katawan at daya ni Ginaming Jesucristo. Bayami daw ang kusang alupking pamaylasan at kamatayan, king waning tinapit, pepasalamat siya kaya ka, piraso na at binyene ka rin kaya ang disipulos nga na, tanggapan niya iti ikongan at kananye, iting kanaong katawan na midawon para kaya kayo. Makanyan mo naman kay baning apunan kingwaning kalis, pasibayin pasalamat kaya ka, binyaning kalis ka rin kaya disipulos nga na, tanggapan niya iti ikongan minumko kaniti. Iting kalis nga na akong daya, ning bahay talang hanggang tipan, amibubu para kay kayo at para karing sablang tao. Ban kanita mi patawaran la ring kasalanan, daptan nyo iti bilang kapigaganakan kanako. Pasyagtamo, misteryo ni kasalpantayanan. Nyang ini gaganakan mi o ikpa, kamatayan pa, mayubli na mi biyan ng anak mo. Daran mi kaya ka, tinapyan na nimbiye, kalis ng kaligtasan. Layon ming pasalamatan kaya ka, yung pepalyarian mo kaming matampang salakad mo ban sumuyo kaya ka. Mapakumbabaming pagamuha mo, kingi kaming sanang misulusulo king ataw na daya ng Kristo, tipuna na kami ating metong ning banal na Espiritu. Ganakan me o ikpa, isang iglesia mong makalaganap king meto yato, ban mi ganap ya king lugud kambe ng Francisco, kay kaming Santo Papa, Florentino, kay kaming Arsobispo, ding sa Blangpari, at hanggang malugod na susuyo, king kaya kaming pisamban, king kaya kaming kasalpantayanan, kay king banal na krus. Ganakan mula naman ng kapatid mong pepainawan at manenayang subling me, ading sablang meyango abye, tanggapan mo sana king malagaya mong arapan, pakaluluan mo kengan, gawan mo kengan karapat dapat magkamit kimbiye alanganga, ban kaya ng Maria, Birhen ng Diyos, San Jose kayang esposo, ding sablang apostol at santong tinupat king malmong kaburian, king kaya kabaning panahon, puriyan dakat paligayan, kapamilatan ng Jesucristong kaya kanganak. King kapamilatan ng Kristo, kamben at kaya, igpang mayupayang tutuka gumning banal na Espiritu, pupurian dakat parangalan, manggaman king alanganga.
Amen.
Mausta mo king Josik pa, king panalangin, tiro ng Jesucristo kaya katamo. Anting pamamatay, wag mi karing kasama kami, emuke pa sa ulking tukso, nunay kabuski naro. Ikabus mo kami o ginuki sa blang marok, malugod mong ipagkalubing kapayapan king panahon mi, banting kasaupan ng kaya kang pakalulu, parati kayong kabus king kasalanan, miligtas king sa blang kaligaligan, kabang maninaya kami, kambening maligayang kapanaligan, king panyatang ng Jesucristo, kaya kami talapangabos.
Uling kekang kayarian, natin kayo pa yan, at tinligaya, manggamang kingalanganga.
O ginuming Jesucristo, sinabi ka rin kaya kang apostol, ing kapayapan lalakwan ko kaya kayo, ing kapayapan babiya ko kaya kayo, mo sa babaligdan ni kaya kaming kasalanan, no nelawan mo yung kasalpantayanan ni kaya kasanta iglesia, at pamayapan mo yung paong bilugan nagpangking kaburian mo, ikang mabibi at magari, manggaman king alanganga.
Amen.
Ing kapayapanan ng Ginoo manatili sana kaya kayo.
At kaya ka antimurin.
Pasyag tamo, mikakametong tamo, king kapayapan. Kapaypan. Peace be with you. Kapaypan po.
Kordero ning Diyos, sa milalako king kasalanan ning yato, pakaluluan mo kami. Kordero ning Diyos, sa milalako king kasalanan ning yato, pakaluluan mo kami. Kordero ning Diyos sa milalako, king kasalanan ning yato, ibiyam kaya kaming kapayapan.
Nyoing kordero ning Diyos, nyo Jesus sa milalako, king kasalanan na ning yato, nuan laring mayaus, king apunan na ning kordero.
Ginoo, ak matampan tanggap kaya ka, dapat ikasmiyay nga mano mo, kumayap na ako.
Manalangin tam.
Talakad tampo.
O Diyos sa igpami, dindami ingawos ng kaya kang anak, magbayo kami at maging bayong balayan mo. Malaya para keka at para king metong at metong. Bustan mong iting Eukaristiya, ibiyenake kami ing sikanan patibe at pasagiwa king matbut ming lugod. Ing mamatawad king susukat. Ing mamye ating makwenta. Kapman mo kami king salili mong masabal para king peka malati karing kaya kaming kapatad. Iti adwan mi kapamalata ng Kristo ang Ginoy.
Amen.
Thank you to all our Eucharistic ministers. Amig serve karing miyaliwang chapels and churches around our parish. Deng EMHC, manibat na dingabak, palakpakan tala po. Thank you very much po. Kareng choir, kareng may masa, kareng liturgists, migsadya, Kenny, panimona Mayra, at hanggang may gobra, dakal po salamat kay kayungan. At gawan tayo sanang makabaldugan ng kaya katamong pamaglakbe kaniting Kwaresma. May we make our journey this season of Lent meaningful and gracious. Kempong Biyernes, First Friday, alatang misa kempisamban ng misa tamo karin kindeka. We will have our Mass there at Holy Our Lady of Lourdes, Deka, alas 6 po ka rin, pero alas 4:30, 4:30, every Friday we will have our Station of the Cross, Via Crucis. So 4:30, Station of the Cross, Phase 1, Deka, going to Phase 5 to their multipurpose chapel, and then we will have our 6 o'clock Mass. Kaya ba napunita the next Friday, kita naman King Margot, King San Antonio Chapel, makanyan mo na 4:30, misa kabat sunod-sunod na po kanita nga kayong Purok 1, Purok 2, and the rest of the Fridays of Lent, we will be having street masses na po. At agkat na kayo po makiyabe king kapag masusya na sakripisyong iti. Bendisyonan da kayo po at kaya kayong familia. Ingino manatili kaya kayo ngan.
At kaya ka
At
antimurin.
bendisyonan ako ng Diyos at kaya kayong kaluguran na familia. Kilagyo na ningig pa ang po ng anak at himbalan ng Espiritu.
Amen.
King alikabok tamo menibatan. King alikabok tamo magbalik. Ibat tamo King Diyos. Magbalik tamo naman sana King Gino. Ing misa mi daon na.
Salamat, King Diyos.
Nako po papalakpak. Ito pong Lenten season na lang papalakpak pa. Kaya ng Easter.
All praise and all thanksgiving be every moment time.